If a lip balm has this in it, I'm so. What is up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name is Weslynn. This is my channel, Business Weslynn. I'm going to talk about my business, Thebeautypackage, which makes creative and unique handmade cosmetics. In today's video, I'm talking about the best oils for lip balm, okay? I have not made a video on lip balm before, I don't think. I'm excited that I'm finally filming one, okay? Because I realized a lot of people are searching up lip balm videos on my channel and I don't have any, so here is gonna be the first of like many. Come and subscribe, check out my other videos, and let's just get right into this video. Let's talk about oil one. Is a vitamin E oil. Let's talk about jojoba oil. My first oil, jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is a natural moisturizer. It also forms a barrier over your dry lips and it will leave your lips soft and smooth. And it also keeps lips hydrated and protects lips from dryness. It is also great for sensitive skin, will soothe your lips. This will be literally amazing for lip balm. It's amazing for like all other lip care, but this will be so amazing for lip balm because it is literally so good and it is natural. So it is a natural moisturizer, which is amazing to have a natural moisturizer to just keep your lips feeling very soft and smooth and just amazing. Okay, this is definitely my top pick for making lip balm, and it just keeps your lips protected and hydrated, and it is amazing. Protects your lips from dryness, which is the whole point of lip balm, so I would highly recommend. My next oil is coconut oil. Of course, y'all knew this was coming. Y'all knew this was coming. Y'all knew this was coming. Okay, this moisturizes your lips, keeps your lips soft, and it absorbs quickly into your lips, so it will not leave your lips feeling greasy at all. Heals dry and chapped lips, calms and soothes irritated and dry lips. If you look, 90% of lip balm formulas, it will have coconut oil in it. I highly recommend you using liquid coconut. Second pick, it is so good. It moisturizes, keeps lips soft, and it absorbs quickly. Like, what more could you want in an oil? And it's clear, so it is amazing to use clear lip balm. If you want like a yellow lip balm or like a white lip balm, this will not tint it. So yeah. My next is vitamin E oil, which will again moisturize your lips and keeps your lips soft, but it also regenerates your skin cells, also boosts circulation and prevents fine lines, lips, and hyperpigmentation on the lips, which is overall amazing. It helps moisturize skin and reduces the appearance of scarring. Vitamin E oil is just so amazing, especially when it comes to lip care. It really helps with hyperpigmentation on the lips. Like, if a lip balm has this in it, I'm sold. Help with the hyperpigmentation, I am sold. It helps with chapped lips. It is so amazing. I just love vitamin E oil. Like, I just really do. I love it in everything. I just love it so much. So yeah, it is, and also it rejuvenates your skin cells. So it not only does it rejuvenate your skin cells, gets rid of the hyperpigmentation, gets rid of scarring, and it moisturizes your skin and your lips. What more could you want in the oil? What more could you want? What more could you want? Let me know. Let me know down in the comments. What more would you want? It's amazing. Pick you up some of this. If you're making lip balms, get you some vitamin E oil. It's amazing. And all your customers are gonna love it. And they're gonna be like, OMG, I want more. I'm gonna buy a billion. Good old castor oil. I don't talk about this oil too much on my channel. And I really don't know why. I just like, this helps dry and chapped lips and promotes hydration. I know, just like all the other oils do, but also it moisturizes, heals, and if you are making a glitter lip balm, this will help keep the glitter on longer. I discovered that probably about like 3 years ago. It helps keep the glitter on longer if you're making a shimmer lip balm, which I would definitely make a recipe on that super incredibly soon. Yes, it's like every other oil where it helps with soothe and chapped lips, but it's so good. And honestly, if you want a more thicker lip oil, recommend this because as you can see, it's not like watery, like it's dense to it. It's super amazing, and I highly recommend you getting some castor oil, especially if you're a beginner lip balm maker. It's a skin softener. Like, it just makes your lips super smooth and super soft and super glossy. I highly recommend castor oil. Next is sweet almond oil. This is amazing for your lips. It is super lightweight, keep your lips supple, which is really nice, and it hydrates your lips and locks in moisture. This is amazing, especially for the colder months. Locking in moisture, that's what you need. Lock in moisture, moisturizes your lips, helps soothe lips. Almond oil can also help in improving the natural color of your lips. Absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. So if you want your lips, your natural lip color, it's also just really good for just keeping your lips nice and soft and smooth, which is amazing for lip balm. Also, this is cheap. Y'all, this oil is cheap. So, y'all, no reason why you don't need to be using this. It's so good. Like, it's so amazing. So highly recommend that. It doesn't leave your lips greasy. It helps the natural color of your lips, and it keeps your lips soft and supple, which is amazing, and it moisturizes your lips from within. Amazing, all amazing stuff. So highly recommend. Sweet. Last but not least, which is my personal favorite, which became my favorite within this last 2 months, liquid shea butter. Y'all, this is amazing. Of course, when you're making a lip balm, yeah, you should use the solid shea butter because it's a solid, and that's kind of what you need when you're making your lip balm. Keeps your lips smooth, it keeps your lips soft. I just love this, y'all. This has changed the game for all my lip products. This has changed the game. This is liquid shea butter. It's amazing, y'all. This is so good. It keeps your lips soft, smooth, improves skin tone, helps keep your lips subtle, moisturizes, soothes your lips, moisturizes, it helps heal. It does everything. You need this. When you're making lip balm, you absolutely need this. Get you some liquid shea butter. The regular shea butter is fine too, but get you some liquid shea butter. This is amazing. Okay, thank you so much for watching another video of mine. Well, if this is not your first video, if it's your return video, which it probably isn't because most of y'all are new subscribers. But make sure y'all subscribe though, like for real, make sure y'all subscribe because a lot of y'all aren't subscribing, and I don't really know what all that's about personally. I'm just playing. But thank y'all so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my business, Thebeautypackage, on all social medias. But also check out my website, thebeautypackage.com, and use code YouTube or New Beauty for money off of your order. Check out all my lip care products, y'all, and I'm gonna be releasing lip balms super incredibly soon. I'm still tweaking the formula a bit, but after that we're gonna get that on and popping. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. This is another Vlogmas video, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.